In this video, I'm going to help you delete your history on Reddit. That's your upvote, your downvote, and everything you do on Reddit. I'm going to help you delete your history. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. So now let's get to the main part of this video. So all we need to do is just launch our Reddit like this and then come on here. And now let's move to our history. So when you move to this side like this, just scroll down here. It depends on the phone you're using. Just scroll down and you're going to see your history here, and that's it. So just tap on the history like this. So on here, you can see all your history on Reddit like this. So all you need to do is just tap on this here and then you clear your history. You get it? So you just tap on this and you clear your history. So I just do that and I clear my history. That's it. I've cleared everything. My recent upvote, downvote, and everything has been cleared. So if you wanted to clear your upvote alone, you just choose your upvote like this. And then you clear the history. If you wanted to choose your downvote, you just move here and choose the downvote and then you clear the history. So in my case, I chose the recent, that's everything. That's your upvote, your downvote, and everything, and I cleared it. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.